Hi everybody, welcome back to KatersAcres. I'm Katie and this is my polymer clay studio. I'm so glad that you have come and joined me today. I'd like to just take a few minutes of your time and invite you to join us at Parker's Clay Tribe. Parker's Clay Tribe is a free interactive group run through Facebook. So if you're a polymer artist already on Facebook, you have nothing to lose. I'll put the link in the down bar below. I want to invite you to come and to share with all of us our weekly activities from Monday Mantra, Tip Tuesday, Work in Progress Wednesday, Technique Thursday, and Friday Finds. We also have monthly swaps for tribe members. We also have bi-monthly challenges where you are given a topic and asked to create something. We have prizes. I'd like to invite each of you. Please come, join us, have some fun. Let's share in our mutual love of polymer clay. Come and join us. I'll see you over in the tribe. Bye everybody.